Sir, sana ma-receive, sorry, is your performance mo sa senior high school is makaka-affect sa law school or just mataas ang gap between senior high school and law school? Of course, no? Senior high school is still high school. Law school is on a different level. But of course, it will help you. The fundamentals that you learned in kinder helped you in your elementary. The fundamentals in elementary helped you in your high school, in your senior high school, and college. So you cannot take those things for granted because those are the skills and the tools that you need in order to progress. So when you get to law school, the things you've learned in senior high school would play a huge factor in your success or failure. So kung hindi ka pala basa, you don't have the work ethic during senior high school, medyo mas mababa ang chance na magkaka-work ethic ka that will make you successful in law school.